Did you create a Gmail address when you were young and now you finally want to change it? Good news. Google just added a feature that lets you do exactly that. All you have to do is go to your Google account. From there, head over to Personal Info, click on Email, and then select your primary email under Google Account Email. On the next page, just click Change Google Account Email. But before you do, here are a few important things you need to know. Changing your Google account email won't affect data saved in your account, such as photos and messages. Some Google and third-party services, like your smart home or music streaming services, will use your new email address. In some cases, they may use your old one. You'll still receive emails sent to your previous email address in your Gmail inbox. You can switch your Google account email back to an alternate Gmail address at any time, but you won't be able to create a new one for 12 months. If you're okay with all of that, just type in your new email, click Change Email, and that's it. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.